Flowers aren't just pretty. They're tiny factories making the next generation of plants. Today, I'm breaking down fertilization in flowering plants, fast and simple. Step 1. Meet the flower parts. The stamen is the pollen maker. That's the anther on a filament. The pistl, also called the carpel, is the receiver. Stigma, sticky top. Style, a tube. Ovary at the base with ovules inside. Pollination is not fertilization. Pollination is just pollen landing on the stigma. Wind, insects, birds, bats, water, your hoodie brushing past. Fertilization is what happens after. A compatible pollen grain sticks to the stigma, hydrates and wakes up. It grows a pollen tube down the style, guided by chemical signals like a GPS to the ovule. 2 sperm cells ride in the tube. Now the coolest part, double fertilization. Inside each ovule, an egg cell and a central cell with 2 polar nuclei. Sperm 1 fuses with the egg. Boom! Zygote, the embryo. Sperm 2 fuses with the central cell. Triple boom. Endosperm, a 3N food stash. Only flowering plants do this. It's efficient and kind of genius. After fertilization, the ovule becomes a seed. Embryo forms roots and shoot tips. Endosperm becomes the energy reserve. A protective seed coat develops. The ovary swells into a fruit, yes, even a pea pod, or a grain. Fruits help dispersal, tasty bait for animals, wings for wind, hooks for fur, little boats for water. Plants avoid self-fertilizing. Some release pollen before the stigma is ready or vice versa, dichogamy. Others physically block self-pollen or use self-incompatibility genes to reject it. Cross-pollination keeps genetic diversity high. Stronger plants, better survival. Quick recap. Pollen lands on stigma. Pollination. Pollen tube grows down the style. 2 sperm enter the ovule. 1 makes the embryo. 1 makes the endosperm. Double fertilization. Ovule, seed, ovary, fruit. Plant spreads those seeds. Next time you see a bee dusted in yellow, that's the start of a whole new plant's life story.